Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Katanat yalekai jong kasorkar jala haringkat ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association hakakat santarik uleber kala penong ya kajingalang ban ai kajing kitbok kitwyang ya ka Kynhun yalekai Shwa bakan mi ban Leit Shim Bynta haka third North East Games araja arpsau ka banlong hanagalan nadu ka khat phra hadu arpholai tarik menta ubenai hagani kalumpung ka jala kala pha hadu arspa saupho khandai ngut kinong yalekai ki ban Shim Bynta haka jing yalekai archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, belt wrestling, freestyle wrestling, lawn tennis, pencak silat, table tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, bat wushu. Hakani gajialang ke balingkot layadon lang ke director ketenat yalekai ke kong Isawanda lalu kumju working president ke MSOA uba John F. Karshiying u general secretary ke MSOA uba finally pariat u assistant director ba payawa nongbri ka President ka Archery Association of Meghalaya kong Matsudor war nongbri bat kiwei. Lapan kot ya kini gajialang na Jingdwai ban Kyrkhu Kyrdoh ya kita kinong yalekai shenrang bat kentai kenang bakin tre shitom ban yalekai bha bat ban wanra buram ya kajelahi barok kawei. Kani ke Kynhun kan mi na kani kenong ba shilong haka khat handu tarik na kebenta ban Leit shanagalan.
When athletes from around the Northeast had come for the Games in 2022, we made sure that we gave them the best experience because it's also a place, an opportunity for young people to mingle, to meet, to learn more about each other, about others' cultures, about others' languages, about others' ways of life. This broadens our horizons and our perspectives. It makes us understand that even though we are different, we are one. Right? We love the same sport. We love swimming. We love football. So I want you to, when you go, please remember to conduct yourselves well. You are wearing Meghalaya's colors, and we want that there should be, nothing bad that comes out from there. That people will be proud of you and say that you have upheld and you have lived up to the expectations that Meghalaya has of you.